Another fantastic family four-wheel drive has just arrived. 2022 Land Rover Discovery, new generation, latest model, R-Dynamic, SE, Auto, in Eiger Grey, full black exterior styling, sliding sunroof, side steps. It's an SE, so on the SE, they've got some lovely little new perks. You get things like adaptive cruise control, which was something that was always an added option to pay for. Black exterior styling with it being an R-Dynamic, so you've got Eiger Grey colour, black badging, grille, inserts, new beautiful LED lights. You get these new generation lights, which we've got all little circles all the way around. The R-Dynamic all the way around the bumpers, 21-inch wheels, finished in high gloss black, mud flaps, side steps, privacy glass. You can see the black roof rails as well. And Eiger Grey is a great colour, and I think when the car is an R-Dynamic with all the black styling, it just looks, the colour looks really, really well. It's a D300, very, very important. So you've got the 300 brake horsepower engine. It's the best buy for sale in the UK for this engine and this model. There you can see you've got the extra 2 seats. If you want to drop them down very, very easily, just drop them like that. Again. And then if you want to drop them other seats, they're all electronic. Press them buttons like that. And then you have it. You can drop all seats forward if you need to. But the 300 horsepower makes up such a big difference to how the car performs as well, because a lot of the cars, I'd probably say 80% of the cars available are all 250 brake horsepowers. It's all keyless entry. You've got this beautiful two-tone interior. You've got memory seats, Meridian sound system. You've got the new generation interior with that larger screen in the centre. And as I get in a minute, I'll show you the sunroof is a sliding sunroof. A lot of the roofs, again, are fixed. So the sliding sunroof makes a big difference. So we've got 3 buttons here. First one opens the internal blind. Then you've got this middle button here, which is to open the sunroof completely. You can tilt it and then you can open it. And then you've got another button here, which is for the rear blind, for the rear glass roof right at the back, which just lightens the whole car up. On here you can see them little arrows there. That's what I spoke about earlier. So it's got adaptive cruise. Camera system is fantastic. We've got 3D surround camera system, which is part of the new Discovery. And then you've got this new larger screen, which if I just go into it here, which has got wireless Apple CarPlay, digital climate control, you've got your Alexa, you've got your media system, all the features you'd expect, front and rear heated screens, automatic lights, automatic wipers, bags and bags of space in a Discovery. That is why they're popular, because the 7 seats, which I showed you, but there's so much room. This car's a 22, so you'll benefit from 3 years Land Rover warranty, or just under, and 3 years Land Rover Assist, but loads of space for the rear passengers, as you can see. And then you've got them extra 2 full-size seats in the back. So, yeah, great car. The key things about this car, D300, 300 horsepower, R-Dynamic, so it gives you that great look. Eiger Grey, fantastic colour, and the sliding sunroof. Beautiful two-tone interior. As our cars are always priced to sell, this is priced, the best priced D300 R-Dynamic SE in the UK. It's going live. Thank you for watching.